Each angel is going to have his or her own preference in terms of what they'd like to invest into. But typically, the angels we've come across look for 6 things in the main. Firstly, the idea, the solution. Is it innovative? Is it unique? Is there any intellectual property that we could potentially export? The second thing is the team, and that's probably the most important thing. Can the team execute on the plans that they've got? And there's an investment saying that we prefer to invest in an A team with a B idea over a B team with an A idea, essentially insinuating that team is more important than idea. The third thing we look for is market opportunity, and it's a question of how big is that market, can the solution scale into that market, and is that market accessible. The fourth thing we look for is fit, and that's essentially, is this a good solution for me as an investor? Does it meet my investment criteria? Can I add non-financial value to this particular solution? And what I mean by that is does my knowledge and my networks lend to this as a solution? The next thing we look for is traction, and that's essentially what's happened to date. And the reason why we look at traction is it does mitigate one of the biggest risks in investing in startups, which is the risk of market adoption. And then the last thing we look for is return on investment. What does the journey look like? Are we going to make money from this particular investment? And when does that exit look possible?